we are busier than ever before, but we are also lonelier. One of the things that I'm observing today in our world is that we are busier than ever before, but we are also lonelier. Part of, I think, what came out of COVID was we got used to being inside and we became disconnected. And all the research shows now that depression rates and suicide rates are skyrocketing. And one of the major reasons is because we are feeling so alone. And that reminded me of a poem that I got back in the early 1980s, written in a book called Is This Where I Was Going? And then it says, have you taken a moment lately to ask yourself, is this where I'm going? And other questions you should ask yourself. And in it was a poem that I have shared with many audiences, not recently, but as I was going through my index cards, and if you've been around me for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of index cards. And a little bit of trivia is that an index card is cheaper than a sticky note. So I have them a lot in my life. And right now I'm going to read one that I have that has this poem by Natasha. It's called Support Systems. My right hand is being held by someone who knows more than I, and I am learning. My left hand is being held by someone who knows less than I, and I am teaching. Both my hands thus need to be held for me to be. One of the principles of my company through the years is together we are better, and this is an example of that. And in the Bible, there's a verse about a threefold cord is not easily broken. So when I think about this, it's the person I'm holding with my left hand is one, the person with my right hand is the other, and then the great God above is looking over all of us and moving us forward. If you are feeling alone, do not hesitate to reach out. Asking for help is a sign of wisdom. First of all, help from God. And one of the questions I've learned recently is to change the question from, God, can you help me do this, to say, God, what are you doing that I can help you with? Because He created us to help Him do what He created us to do. And then we collaborate with other people who know more than we do to help us. And then we take what we've learned and we pass it on to other people who know less than we do. And then together we are better.